Yesterday, I looked into my sacred mirror, and to my great surprise, it showed me as a giant traversing the clouds, with birds flying at my knees. This mirror has always told me that their talk about that cell is a lie, and that I am the most fantastic creature in existence, and that my Creator created me only to give me a chance to develop myself and deserve to co-mage the universe with Him. Give me your hand. Enter with me into my mirror. Let's approach our Lord to hear this message directly from Him. Do not fear the extent of our Lord, for He loves you. Do not be